number 4, I want to take in two different parts. I want to first multiply the regular numbers. So 6 times negative 9 is negative 54. Then I want to look at the x's. So I have x squared times x to the 3. And when you multiply like bases, you want to add the exponents. So that'll be x to the 5th. So really look at it in two different parts. You have the regular numbers, and then you have the x's. 5, we have 3 parts because we have regular numbers, we have a's, and we have b's. With the regular numbers, it's 4 times 8, which is 32. The a's, if you don't see an exponent, it's an implied 1. So this is really a to the 1, b to the 1, and a to the 1 here. So whenever you don't see an exponent, it's implied to be 1. So a to the 1 times a to the 1 is a to the 2. B to the 1 times b to the 5th is b to the 6th. And that'll be your answer.